crazy airport. Okay, so I'm at the airport. I've just exited. I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing. I got no hotel, nothing booked. Haven't even checked the internet, don't even have the internet, and have no idea where I am, like on a map or anything. So, like always, I'm gonna go and try to figure it out. Guessing I'm gonna take a taxi to the center of whatever the main town is here. Maybe spend a night or two here. But my friend's on the next island, but maybe I'll quickly make a video here or two before going to the next island. I have no idea. The adventure is still unfolding. Okay, so this is the taxi. It's 400 baht. And I guess it's only 5 or 10 minutes away. We'll find out. This is the hotel room. Can I get wide angle? No, let me switch it around. But this is £20 a night. And I'll also show you what it looks like in the daytime because it's nighttime. You won't be able to see much. But there's another balcony here. There's a balcony just here. Obviously TV, fridge, which is good. And what you got for a toilet? Toilet, shower. The showers are kind of weird here where you just kind of shower on the floor. That was the same on the other one. But that's it. That's all you need really. And in the daytime, I'll show you what it looks like. Maybe I'll even snap my fingers. Or maybe that doesn't work. But I'm going to go and get my bearings and see where I am. Let's go take a walk. Hello. It's good. I found like what looks like the town center, lots of restaurants and little things everywhere. Actually, sorry dude. Actually like a really cool shop back there full of like really cool antiques and stuff. Like jewelry, yeah, lots of yuppie stuff. Let's see what the prices are like. More shops like that. There's one right there, there's one right there, and there's one right there. There's no lack of those shops. But I would just like to, and I can see another one and another one. And but first, I just want some food, and then I'll let you know what I find. I guess I'm kind of going right. So we're over the airport. So let me get back to you. All right, so I'm looking at maybe getting half of that and half of that. It's a little expensive. But the people did tell me that this place will be a little bit more expensive, but I like the colors. There's colors everywhere. I'll obviously find cheaper food, but it's day one and I don't want to walk a million miles, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so straight away, this place is way more expensive. Like all the food's like double. No one's willing to like bargain. I wanted to get half of that plate and half of the other one. No, we no do half-half. I was like, okay, well I'm gonna go find another restaurant that'll do half-half. Cause like, what was it, it's like $4, which is kind of expensive around here. I shouldn't even be angry, you know what I mean? Used to the other prices. But I'll just keep walking. Looks like there's plenty ahead of me. And if not, there was like one more street that way. I will find food and it will be yummy and it will be cheap. Because if I'm gonna be here for a while, I need to find these spots. And for your sake too, you know? Let's just take a look. Lots of colors, which is nice. Kind of pool table. William, get over here. We got a pool table. Got this place. Super colorful. Where's all the yummy food? Like I said, they got breakfast. That's the other thing. Nice breakfast would be good to find too. Somewhere like close, you know? Alright, so I walked and I found like a big ass market. Look, if I cross the street here, hold up. And I'll turn the camera around, I'll show you what I can see. Like, look at this. It's like a big market. There'll definitely be some food in here, right? And then all sorts of crazy colors going on over here. Alright. Let's take a look. Ice cream. Look at this. Find some food. Chicken, rice. That looks good. Oh, no. Fruits, juices. Look, it's a big market. Definitely gonna get some yummy food now for sure. That first place looked really good. I'm gonna go back there. That looks yummy. Oh, those are crickets. We're gonna have to get some yummy food, guys. What do we try first? Oh, these are kind of cool too. They made like dragons out of hemp. Shoot. What more? What more? Look, all sorts of like clothes and bags and stuff. But I'm interested in the food. Let's see the food. But those are cool. The colors. Oh, they got pizza. Oh, look at this. This looks good. Look at this. Oh. Alright, so what do we try? We definitely want to try one of these for sure. But we gotta stop looking. It's time to start eating. Vegetables, they all look so good. Barbecue. I'm gonna try a little bit of everything. So I've only got one. I know that's boring, but we're gonna start off small. All right, let's try it. Oh yes, they got chicken too. I'm gonna try some more of this beef down here too. Hold up. So of course I did the most American thing ever and bought a pizza and a Coke, right? What else are you gonna do? We've been traveling all day. Eat Thai food? No way, man. Anyway, I am gonna go and try some crocodiles. Crocodile, alligator, they're different, but some guys over here selling some for like $1. I've never tried it. I know it's totally against my ethics, but I don't know, I can't pass it up for some reason. I just wanna try it. I also saw some really yummy brownies. Look, there's so much going on over here. Let's go eat some more shit. So I'm not keep like getting skinnier and skinnier. I need to gain some weight. Help me out. All right, so we're gonna try it. You ready? Crocodile. You know what I'm gonna say, don't you?
Okay.
It tastes like chicken.
Look like a chicken, huh? But it, I think like a beef little bit.
It's like a cross between chicken and beef, yeah.
Yeah.
It's tough. Good for your muscles, huh? Big muscles?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you. So this market is huge, and there's a little bit of everything. Like there's shops, there's food, so many colors actually. Like way more food that I can capture on camera. And there's so many rows of it. So I found like the busy part of town. And it's like 10:30 at night. So this is what's happening. So I showed you the market. And now I'm just trying to find like what do people do at nighttime. Looks like I'm coming up to some kind of square. But this is Koh Samui, and Samui in particular. I mean, I like it. I like it. Besides the pretentious yuppies, I like it. I mean, sometimes it's good to have pretentious yuppies because if you're gonna start a business, they have money. And I don't mind taking money from pretentious yuppies. So, there you go. It's good, no? By the way, I still have no idea where I am. So I'm just cruising, hoping that eventually I'll figure it out. But I'm enjoying the sights and sounds. It feels a lot safer than the last place. The velocity at which people live is a lot slower to it. People are walking around casually. There aren't a million cars in the street. So straight away, I'm liking this place. I'm looking for like long-term living. So this is like, it's up there on the list, you know? So many cool things, so many cool little avenues and little markets to explore. Loads to explore. and maybe even checking out the next island to see if that's any better. Some people say it is. There's only one way to find out. And I guess I'll just keep walking because I guess this is where people go. I don't know. People getting massages in there. They gotta take their shoes off. So you can tell by how successful the place is by how many shoes are currently here. So I'm gonna keep walking. I'll try to find a place, maybe have a drink, and maybe eat some more food so I can get fat, because I've been traveling a lot and stressed out a lot and I've not been eating, so I need to eat. So maybe I'll find some more food. But it looks like it just keeps going. There's loads of colors up here. Look what I'm looking at. And there was so much more at the, look at these nice restaurants, at the market that I didn't have an opportunity to show you. Hello, brother. Oh, good music. I should go back there and do some dancing. Oh, look at this place. That's kind of cool. What's it called? The Tipsy Flamingo. It's all pink. The sandbox. Okay, yeah. So this must be like where people come to party. It's starting to have that party vibe. Thirsty Thursday. I'll be walking down the street casually, hoping that no one tries to grab my phone. Wouldn't that be nice? I think it's safe though. Everyone keeps telling me it's super, super safe. It's so safe, in fact, that I'm gonna just go ahead and risk it for the biscuit. I'll just walk straight down the road. It's getting more and more interesting the further I walk. I keep thinking it's the end of the video, but then we got more. A lot more to look at. And little places to go off down. Yeah. So I'll try to find some more shit and I'll update you guys. So I came down to the left, and it seems like this is getting more like nightclubby. I'm gonna quickly just zoom down here, and then I'll zoom back to the main road, just so I can see what's down here. I've got no idea. I haven't looked at any maps. I literally have no idea where I am. But it's just getting more and more interesting the more I walk into these little weird alleyways. So we'll find out. I have absolutely no idea what's gonna come next. It's just like the roads keep turning. I don't know if I'm allowed to film. Like, people don't want me to have to be on like video. I understand that. But again, like I was doing in Egypt, in a bid to protect myself, if I film myself a little bit more than usual, not only is it great content, but I can feel like protect myself a little bit, because people will notice that, you know, they're on camera, and maybe, just maybe, they won't fuck with me. There's only one way to find out. So colorful, huh? The colors. Crazy. Lots of places to play pool. I like this place way better already. Hey, you want to be on? No, he doesn't want to be on. This place is cool, man. It's got better lights. It's more relaxed. This is what you want. It's exactly what you want. Herbland. Yeah, lots of places to play pool. I'm gonna get back on the main road and explore, because then I get lost down here later on. I don't want to do it immediately, you know? Again, I'll just let the content make itself. I'll just keep walking. Hey! So let's try to find where the music is good. Or, actually, I'll be 1,000% honest with you right now. I don't know where I live. I have no idea where my hotel is. I just hope I don't run out of battery while I'm trying to find it. All right, so we're back on the main road. I'll flip it around so you can see this, because it's just getting more interesting, like, as we walk through here. All right, we're back here. We got a market. Another McDonald's. Yeah, this guy was telling me something about when I get to the next McDonald's, something. I forget what he was saying though. Oops. That's fine. But guys, you will not lack for like options for food. It is a little bit more expensive, but I think the vibe just feels safer. Like I'm a lot more comfortable walking down here, like holding my phone. Things are a little bit more clean. People look just more healthy, like they're not struggling so damn bad. So I think overall it's a safer place. So I'm just gonna keep walking, look at all the different food options, try to give you guys some nice long episodes to watch, because like I realize on YouTube, unlike TikTok, which is where I spend most of my time, it's actually nice to watch like a 30-minute video, isn't it? Just kind of sit back and relax and go on an adventure somewhere. And you're welcome. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button, because I'm walking the streets for you guys. I don't have to be filming this. I could be doing this all in private. And to be honest, my videos aren't getting shit. I ain't getting any views. I ain't getting any money from YouTube. This is all like in the hopes that sometime, at some point, these might catch, these might return a little bit, or just help you guys out. Because before I travel somewhere, I always go into YouTube and say like, what's this, what's that? And there's more shit down there. And like without videos like this, it's really, really hard to understand what the country is gonna be like before you get there. So hopefully I've helped you before you come to Thailand or Koh Samui or any of the places that I have made videos about in the past and in the future. Hey. Hey. Alright, so this is a lively little town. It's not the quiet island that I once thought. That's good. I wish I could be broadcasting this live to you guys so you could like help me make choices on what I'm gonna do next. I'm not exactly sure what to do. I've had a bunch of food, I've had a smoke, I've had a walk, and I don't know, try to find something interesting to do. But otherwise, if not, this might be the end of the video. I might just go home. See if I can find my my hotel. I gotta find internet and then figure out where I live. But I'll be here for 3 days. I'm guessing that the beaches are incredible too, because that's what I was looking at. That's why I'm here. Is I saw pictures of the beach. They look incredible, like some of the best beaches and coral reefs in the world. So hopefully I'll get out there and be able to scuba dive and snorkel and all sorts of good stuff. I'm not here just for the nightlife, not at all. In fact, it'd be quite the opposite. Like I came here for those beaches. So I'm really excited to see what they look like. Make sure to subscribe and follow, because I probably won't have them in this video. I'm gonna have them in the next. All right. And if there's anything more interesting on the way home, I'll grab that. All right. But if not, this might be the end, okay? Here's a pro tip. When you're walking around Thailand, it's super fucking hot. Stop inside of a 7-Eleven, they're everywhere, and they have air conditioning, and you can chill the fuck out for like 5 minutes, catch your breath, you know, like lower your body temperature. Even if you just buy water for like 7 pesos, just use the air conditioning, it's great. Okay, so I am gonna go home. Let's see, that was like a 10-minute walk from my hotel, so I'm just gonna walk back now, and hopefully tomorrow I'll show you the beach. And hopefully my friend Rob comes and joins me. But I've been traveling all day, so I need to go to bed and wrap this up. So peace and love, guys. This place is crazy. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. Okay, I made it home. I got a little bit lost, but I made it. And there's loads of frogs. You hear that? They sound like really big frogs.